In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to solve this question on basic limits. So here we're to find the limit as x tends to -1 of x squared minus 2x minus 5 divided by x plus 2. Now, the first step I will always try is to substitute the value of x as -1 in the equation and see if I get an answer. If I do get an answer, then that's the answer. So let's see if that works here. So the solution, let's substitute x equals to -1 in here. So that becomes -1 squared minus 2 times -1 minus 5 divided by -1 plus 2, which becomes 1 plus 2 minus 5 divided by 1. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 minus 5 is -2. -2 over 1, which is -2. And so we see that direct substitution into this equation gives us an answer. So direct substitution is always something you can try solving basic limits. So this is our answer here, -2. If you found value from this video, make sure you like and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.